Hey, crafty people. I am so stoked about this kit. This is another brand new kit from Peekaboo Creek Designs. I will link it in the description box down below. She's already got this kit listed. And I'm going to do a paper share with you so you can see it. And then I have a mini album base. I need to put chipboard on the sides, but we are going camping, and I'm going to take this with me because I get up super, super early before the sun comes up, and my husband does not. So this will give me something to work on in the midst. So this mini album I had in my stash for years, and I was doing a clean out, and I found it. So perfect for this. So I'm going to show you all the papers. Oh my gosh. So stinking cute. I told her, I said, if I'd have seen this on Etsy, I would have snatched it up in a second. I can see cards with this. I can see a mini album with this. I can see a journal with this. Tags with this. I mean, just so stinking cute. And if you're not a spooky Halloween person, this is perfect for you. And I kind of like both. I did a spooky Halloween mini album a while back, maybe five or 6 years ago. And I had never done a Halloween album, and it came out really good. But I'm definitely more a cutesy person. So I love the glitter. That really just, to me, is, and I love the fact that she doesn't have a nose. Am I a weirdo? I can see myself fussy cutting this and layering. I can see paper piecing layering with this kit also. And I think I'll do a paper piecing tutorial for you guys, because paper piecing is really easy, and it'll be a real easy tutorial. Okay, I'm going to go faster. Okay, background papers. We got this, pink. This one says boo. The nice thing about papers like this one and that purple stripe is that you can use it for other things too. You don't just have to use it for this kit. If you need a pink background, you've got it. Or an orange background, you've got it. Here's where the more fun comes in. Look how pretty that is. I love these. I hope you can see the design on that. Okay. This one is super duper my favorite. And this is my second favorite. I like this one. And look at this one. Okay, they're all cute. They're all cute. I mean, look how cute that stuff at the top. I mean, just, oh, I can't wait to get started. So what I'm going to do before I go camping is I'm going to cut all these borders out, off of there. And here in this one, can you see the faded pumpkin and the faded owl? Okay, here we go. Pockets. Look at that. A little dog with a witch hat. Is that a cat with a mummy? I don't know, but it's cute. And the bat is cute. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. I love this. I love this little guy right here and his coffin. And some of the sentiments. This was a fabulous. Keep it spooky. And this one is hilarious. Okay, it says, "Laugh and the world laughs with you. Cackle enthusiastically, and people will back away slowly." Spooktacular. Kind of spooky-ish. Oh, I was on the phone with her and I read these and I was just laughing. I love the tickets. Good for one free broom ride. Salem Witch Society broom rides. Established 1876, Salem, Oregon. Ride at your own risk. Fright Night Expo, admit one. Booville Convention Center. Haunted homes, guided tours. I love this. All kinds of word sentiments. She gave me the circles. I told her I really like the circles. This is stinking cute too, this little ghost. Oh my gosh. I'm not a big envelope fan, but I know lots of you guys are. So you get, she's got envelopes in there for you. This is cute too. And she knows I like the Polaroids, so she created Polaroid strips. Look at these. Oh my gosh, so cute. I like this too. And then you've got your pull tabs. More pull tabs. I love the banner. There's a banner on that one. And look at these creatures. The pumpkins are so cute. So you get all different kinds of eyes on these little small tabs. And then you've got the postage stamps. And here we go with Fussy Cuts. Her favorite. She told me that's her favorite part. Not. She said the Fussy Cuts are the hardest to do. So, really, really cute. And I love that there's no nose, because it reminds me of Tilda. Look at that little mummy, whatever that is. They're so cute. You got a mouse and a dragon. Oh my gosh. I'm in heaven. I'm absolutely in heaven. And here's your last one. I think she said there's 54 sheets, I believe. I couldn't tell you for sure. But she does already have the kit listed on Etsy. I will link that in the description box down below the video. And you can go and purchase it now. I will be creating at least 2 projects, but likely, I mean, it's just screaming at me, so likely more, but at least 2. And the first one will be this mini album. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and check out her store. See you later. Bye.